Every day, our social media feeds shine a little brighter thanks to the celebrities who grace it with new unique makeup looks, skincare routines, and even hairstyles. To be honest, I've been secretly eyeing my favorite celebrities' flawless hairstyles for a while now, and so I decided to recreate a few of them just for you all. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you 3 celebrity-inspired hairstyles. So before I begin, I'm sure you know what you have to do, right? Subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also ring the bell icon for further notifications. The hairstyle is inspired by the gorgeous Kiara Advani, who has been seen rocking a sleek rope braid. This stylish, chic, cool rope braid is perfect for a glamorous evening as well as when you're stepping out for a run. In this braid, a plait is made out of 2 twisted hair sections. So let me show you how it's done. Start by taking all the hair at the back and comb it well. Then go ahead and secure it with a hair tie to make a ponytail. Split the ponytail into 2 equal sections. Take one section and start twisting it outwards. Then repeat the same on the other section as well. Now rotate the twists around each other along the length of the hair. Then secure the ends together with a hair tie. I'm in love with how this has turned out. Hairstyle is inspired by none other than Jahnvi Kapoor. While we've gotten major inspo from the star when it comes to makeup, her hair game is truly commendable and worth taking a cue from. The hairstyle that I'm going to show you is braided tendrils, which is such a cute look that is easy to achieve on any hair type or face shape. Plus, this hairstyle is apt on days when the crown area is greasy, especially in the monsoon season. Let me show you how to achieve it. I'm going to apply a heat protectant as it creates a barrier between the styling tool and the hair. This is the heat protectant that I've been loving lately. It's the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. Spritz it liberally throughout the hair length. Apart from protecting the tresses against the heat, this heat protectant spray also helps detangle stubborn knots, avoids frizz, tames flyaways, adds shine and makes my hair soft to touch. First, I'm going to curl my hair since Jahnvi Kapoor's hair is also curled. Start by taking a small section of hair from the front and start creating a basic Dutch braid. Continue with the regular 3-strand braid. Once done, secure it with a hair tie. Repeat the same on the other side as well. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Hairstyle is inspired by my most favorite actress, Deepika Padukone. I honestly fell in love with her can looks, but this look in particular, where her hair is tied into a top knot of sorts with a few face tendrils, just caught my attention. So let me show you how to create this hairstyle. So first, start by removing some tendrils from the front. Then take the rest of the hair at the back and secure it with a hair tie to make a ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 2 equal sections. Then twist both the sections. Take one of the section and twist it into a bun at the top. Secure it with a bobby pin. Repeat the same with the other section as well. Make sure to secure it well with some bobby pins. Have I managed to replicate Deepika Padukone's look well? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite hairstyle. Before you leave, do like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Also ring the bell icon for further notifications, and I'll catch you in the next one.